like this, that individual was not cared for with infection control and resulted in a number of secondary cases. But even in Lagos, and even with 19 secondary cases, they appear to have been able to stop the outbreak. I have no doubt that we'll stop this in its tracks in the U.S. But I also have no doubt that as long as the outbreak continues in Africa, we need to be on our guard. Other questions in the room?
Lauren from WJLA. Can you give us a number or just a scale of how big this team from the CDC is going to be, and who that directly entails? Are these doctors that are going to be in the hospital, or are these going to be people who are actually like fanning out into the community? Can you give us a little bit more information on that?
I can get back to you with the exact size of the team. We provide epidemiologists or disease detectives. We provide communications experts. We provide hospital infection control and laboratory experts as needed in the situation. And every CDC staff who's there, or the 130 who are in Africa, are tied tightly to our experts here who provide backup 24/7. We defer to the local and state health departments, and they're there on the ground, they're the lead, and we're there to support. In the room? On the phone?
The next question comes from Lauren Neergaard of AP. Your line is open.
And you've been watching live coverage on News Channel 8 of Tom Frieden and other officials with the CDC in Atlanta. We've been listening to their teleconference from health officials in Texas, where now a confirmed case of Ebola has been discovered in the Dallas area. This is the first diagnosed case of the deadly virus on American soil. The patient apparently is not a healthcare worker. Officials are trying to trace that man's travel and see who he's come in contact with. As you heard, officials now trying to downplay any public hysteria that may erupt from this situation, saying the Ebola virus is not airborne and that it only spreads by direct contact. We are going to continue to cover this story throughout the evening on News Channel 8. And